Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a look using the Boss Mood palette from Morphe, and this is a look that got a ton of compliments in a video I shared with you guys, a Christmas video and a swatch video, so I thought that I would film it. So we're going to start by priming our eyes. We're going to start our look by picking up Stroke of Look from the eyeshadow palette. Also, the names of the eyeshadows in the Morphe palette will be in the description box, as well as a long list of products that I used. I'm going to messily put that in our crease. Just kind of try to blend it towards the brow bone as we go. We're just getting a layer of that. You're not going to see a ton of it. Next up, we're taking NudeTude, and it's just a darker green. And I'm applying that in the crease as well, applying that slightly lower than Stroke of Luck. And I'm using a pencil brush with this shade for better color placement. I'm really packing that color in the crease. And with Stroke of Luck, the lighter green, I used a fluffy brush because we were just placing a color. This we're actually packing on the shade, so I used a slightly different brush. And I'm going to go back in with the Stroke of Luck brush and blend that with NudeTude. Next up, we're using Covergirl's Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer, and I'm applying that on my lid. I'm going to blink up a couple times and get the placement of my cut crease. So easy. I love this method. And when I first started this, I was so intimidated by the cut crease in this manner, and I know some of you probably are too. Just give it a go, give it a try, you won't regret it. It's so easy and I love how it looks. So next we're taking Light of the Party, and we're going to use that as just literally a lay of color, a base of color. You don't even have to use a shade for this process. Honestly, you could just leave it blank with the concealer because I'm going to use the Milani. But I'm going to go back in with NudeTude brush. There's no additional color on it. And just kind of carve out some of the areas that I wanted to be more crisp. Now next we're taking the Milani Hypnotic Lights little eye topper, and see what I mean, you didn't even have to have that Light of the Party shade, but I chose to use it anyways, and we're just going to spread that evenly onto the lid. It's so beautiful. These are amazing. If you've not tried these, they're totally worth the $10. They don't budge, they last all day long, no creasing, no glitter flaking, they look amazing. And I think they were perfect for the holiday season. But now that that's over, I'm still going to rock them. They're so beautiful. Next up, we're taking Express Yourself from the Boss Mood palette. And I'm going to use that as a kind of outer corner, third of the lid kind of transition for the NudeTude shade. And just applying it right next to the Milani, blending it in. And next to the outer corner color, basically. Now we're picking up that NYX highlighter, and I think the shade was Highlight. And there's no matte highlights in the Boss Mood palette, so I use that as my brow bone highlight, and now I'm blending everything together. We're going to bring NudeTude on the lower lash line and really try to pack that in and blow it out. And we're going to go back in with Stroke of Luck to blend around those edges. And I just love these greens. These are some of my favorite shades in the Boss Mood palette. If you don't have this palette, definitely pick it up if you're a fan of Morphe. It's so beautiful. We're using Light of the Party in the inner corner. And of course, we're tight lining our upper waterline and our lower. And next we're taking the Physicians Formula 2-in-1 Eye Booster Pen, and we're doing a small line, and we're doing a little bit of mascara. It's the Maybelline Curvitude mascara, And this mascara is nice on its own, but I chose to do lashes today just because I feel like this look is like out there. So I'm using the AOA Studio Scarlette lashes, beautiful lashes, and the Kiss lash adhesive. Oh, real easy to use and apply. There are tons of YouTube videos on how to apply false lashes if you're unsure, but once you get the hang of it, it is fairly easy. And I just apply those, position them how I want them, and there we go, they're on. And sometimes the lashes just make the look. And I love how this turned out. It's such a beautiful look. You guys loved it. The feedback I got after you seen the photos, everyone loved this look. So I had to film a tutorial. I used one of those little hard candy lippies, and this is like a red kind of glossy lip, and that's what I wore for Christmas. This is the look that I wore to my dinners, and it's so pretty. Now I'm using the hard candy glow spray, and if you have this, you probably already know you need to shake it up before using it or it'll spit a bunch of glitter on your face. But we set it and we're done. So that's the finished look, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully the tutorial was easy to follow and you'll try it out for yourself. All you need is about 4 different green shades and a light shade, and you're done. So thank you guys always for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Check the description box for additional links as well as the product list. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.